one.
I missed all the fun. What did I do with my rag? Oh, here it is. Can you squeeze that out? There you go. Did it work at all?
No, not really.
I think we got someone coming our way on the course. Yeah, we do. And they're sliding all over. Watch out, motherfuckers. Oh, here we go. Yeah! I'm such a dick. Like, I intentionally wanted to swing them. Why is that? It just naturally happens like that.
Last one. Uh-oh. iPad, I think. Oh, there we go. Taking a little bit to respond. Right two. Left one. Down. I think I got it on it. The deep one, I think. Oh!
Oh, man. I was already concerned about this part, let alone fucking with huge puddles of water. And no fucking pumper. Wow. It went out right.
Right three.
The bumper went out right when we hit the fucking
first puddle, dude. Left 3.
Just make it more interesting.
Right 1. Left 1.
I think we have an extra pumper. It's either in
Right 2.
the chase truck or the Sprinter. I think it's a chase truck. I guess it don't matter for Oscar, huh?
Yeah.
He just drives with the visor open anyway.
Right 1. Oh, shit. Good job.
Oh, man. Here we go. It's like silt. You got to keep your speed going and you can't see shit.
I don't know. My fucking iPad's locked up.
Okay.
At least this one's working.
I'm pretty sure this is the way. Oh, man.
Okay, there we go. It's got too much water inside.
So do I. Oh no, looks like we're getting down low here where it's going to be.
Oh shit.
I think it's just the same shit. I could try to go up and around this one to the right.
Yeah, that might be the way to go.
Fuck, you see nothing. Fuck, man, sorry. Yeah, that worked.
Fuck yeah. Left one. Right two.
Oh, maybe we should stop in here.
Yeah. Left 3.
Try to clean up.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna shut the motherfucker off.
Tiene tapos.
I would like a are they pushing me? Or is it just rolling?
Just rolling.
Can I ask, let's see here. Try? Seiko? ¿Está seco? What up?
Oh, we have
These are their pliers, aren't they? What did they find?
a wire wrapped around the axle, probably. Oh, way. Yeah, there's water in the iPad. Whew. It's still working.
What about the pumper?
It's not working. Fuse isn't blown.
Gracias. Yeah, gracias. What else can we have them do?
I think that's it, man.
Okay. So no more stalling?
We get 15 more miles till we see our pit crew.
¿Cuánto?
15, 20, por ahí.
Okay. ¿Y ellos van a estar dónde?
At the road crossing.
Okay. All right. Can I try to get them on the radio? Whatever.
They're not answering the fucking radio. I don't know.
Will the Sprinter be there?
No.
Damn, because the Sprinter has that. Oh, it's. What the fuck? Why isn't this closing now? There we go. All right. I don't know whether to put these gloves back on or not.
They're all wet. But at least it'll have some grip to the steering wheel.
All right.
Hey.
All right. Well, here we go.
Right, 2. Left 2. Right 2, left 2. Right 1.
Wow. Flash flood, homeboy.
Right 2.